I just figured it was a little time for an update since I've been working in here. So I got a couple electrical boxes up here in the ceiling. Let's see. Breaker boxes over here. I ran a line from my house. You can see coming through the wires. I put it on a 20 amp breaker and just ran it down here so I can put this little air conditioner in here because it is 93 degrees outside today. So basically I put this in here on a 20 amp breaker, which I wired into a box over here from my house. Working here is kind of like, it's tough. You know, this stuff it works good. The firm stuff works good, but I'm telling you right now, it's tough because if you get it out on the edges of the boards, you got to cut this with a saw. This little straight saw here I got, I'll show you. You need to buy this. This is the tool you need to have. You have to have this tool because you're gonna have to cut edges. Like, see this right here? You used to put a box there, which you're not going to do, but if this was down by your box, you have to cut that out. So you can get your box in. Every box has to be cut out because the box won't fit back in the wall because of all the foam you got in there. So that's one of the things to look forward to. Going to put the boxes in, which, you know, I've cut out like so many of these now that it really doesn't matter. You know, I'm just like doing it. This is the little update that everybody's going to get. There's a little air conditioner there running, it's cooling it down. I've got a mini split for this that I'm putting in, and I've got a big one. It's like 18,000. It's a loose mini split. I'm going to put that in here, which should heat and cool this place with no problem at all. So you can see right here on this problem what the temperature is. There's the temperature in here right now. It's about 75 probably. I mean, it's workable considering it's 93 outside, and you know, it's fine. I work in here, it doesn't bother me. It'll get cooler too because I just been here about an hour. All right, that was the update. Here's another little update tidbit you're gonna need. You're gonna need this tool right here. This is a cobalt tool. This thing is, I think this is the 4-inch one. You're gonna need this to pry out the pieces where you're putting those outlets in. Okay.
Let your memory